Our feet face the burden of our daily hectic lives. I personally believe in giving my feet the tender love and care they need. Did you guys know that there are several causes of cracked feet, which include standing for long hours, using harsh soap, cold weather, continuous exposure to water, being overweight, or even wearing improper footwear? So I have thought of coming out with a video for all of you beautiful women out there who face the same problem of cracked feet and want to get rid of it in one night. So here's how you can treat your feet with natural goodness. All you need to do is oil your feet at night. For this you will need 2 teaspoons of castor oil, 2 teaspoons of olive oil, 2 teaspoons of almond oil, a bit of aloe vera juice. Massage these oils into your feet. Smear Vaseline into the cracks of your feet and see that it is absorbed into them very well. Wear cotton socks and cover. Leave overnight. The next day you will see visible crack-free feet. Creating videos like this is my hobby and passion. If you want to be featured in such videos, don't forget to write to me at the email ID mentioned right below. Have a great and blessed week ahead. Thanks for watching, and you shall see me in the next video, so stay tuned. Bye!